Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to wirelessly connect Beats to PS4. So basically what we'll need to have is little Bluetooth dongle, okay? So that looks like something like this. You can just Google it and buy it from the Amazon or etc. Just USB adapter. And now what we'll need to do is just basically enter to pairing mode on the Beats. So just hold it down for like 5 to 10 seconds and it will start flashing. Okay, so that's now in pairing mode, and you'll see the button right here on the dongle. So basically put into your PS4, then hold it for about 10 seconds and it should pair both these devices themselves, and basically then you'll be able to connect those wirelessly. Okay, so that's pretty much it guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.